Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one Reddit bot in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like a Jagmal previous project of Python. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So from that, it will be also help for you, and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things, more new project, and more new clones which I will be just uploading in future and previously also, which I have just uploaded. So just check that all things here. Now we will be starting with our Reddit bot project. For making a Reddit bot, first of all you have to just make a file of Python. So you have to just select your folder in which you are working with of Python, and you have to just press right click on that, and underneath there is a new button. So you have to just come here, press Python file in that. When you've done that, just you have to give the name of your Python file which you want to. So I'll be writing bot. There I will be doing nothing. Just if you want to write .py, you can write, but if you don't write, it will be nothing happens. You have to press Python file or enter, but I will be pressing enter simply. You can see that now this bot.py file is being created. Now in that I will be writing some of the codes. So I'll be zoom in so you can see my codes which I will be writing here. Now here I will be just coming and I will be writing a code which should be like while true. So create a while true tag here, and if you don't know what is this while true, you have to just go to terminal and download that. Right, pip install true and press enter. So it will be then update your version if you have, or if you don't have, so it will be download that. So there is written find a version that satisfy the requirement true, because I have just already downloaded. So because of that there is coming like that error. Then I'll be minimizing here. Then I will be doing one thing like I'll be coming underneath here and writing one thing like, first of all I'll be going to Reddit. Then I'll be writing answer equal input. Then I will be coming here and writing here like I am Reddit bot. Okay, so when you've done that, just I will be writing here like yes/no. So when you've done that, just I will be writing that, and here you have to do like one thing. I'll be just coming here writing I am here to help me. Here I'll be first of all not writing this. I'll be now writing this bracket and writing yes or no, then close that here. Then when you've done that, I will be coming underneath here and writing that to like init, and here you have to just write like input, and in that I will be changing this to like I am Reddit bot. So what do you want from me? Okay, so this is the question which he is asking. So I'll be writing yes or no, because here we have to just give the answer of this question which he is asking. Then I will be raising that, changing that to like question mark, because this is a question. Then I will be coming forward and coming underneath here and writing here like input, and here I will be changing this to like else. So here I'll be writing else, and I'll be changing that to like I will be writing here like input. Then I'll be writing again like invalid. So I'll be writing invalid choice, and I'll be just writing that. Then after it I'll be just doing one thing like I will be coming forward and writing here like nothing like that. So when you've done that, just I will be coming here and writing here like answer equal input. Then I will be coming here also, then creating like I will help you. And now here you have to write yes or no. If you want its help, so you can write yes or no. So I will be writing like else. I will be writing like if answer will be just no if you write, so the answer should be like that. And here I will be writing first of all input, and when you've done that, just in that I will be writing like invalid answer. Then I will be writing here like I was here to help you. So I'll be writing that. And when you've done with that things here, so here you have to do one thing like you have to just not close that, because there is not any close tag in that. So come here again and create init tag, and in this int tag I'll be just writing one thing like I will be changing this to, first of all, okay, so I will be writing here like good choice, and I'll be writing here like you are good boy. So I'll be just writing like randomly, you can also write here. So when you've done with that things, just you have to press save all button here, which is just coming, and here when you've done that, just you have to come here also, then come underneath here and write here like another thing which should be like answer equal input. Then I will be just writing this sign, and here I will be also writing 1 equal to. Here there was just 2 equal to, which we have written already. Then I will be just coming here and writing here like I I'll be writing I am here to help you, like that. I'll be just writing that. So when you're done with that things, you have to just do one thing like that. Then it will be just asking question when you will be running that and when it will be good to go. So here when you're done with that things, you have to do one thing like you have to just come forward of that, press enter here and write here like else, which is a tab from which you can define your invalid answer which you want to. Then I'll be writing like answer equal in it. Then I'll be writing invalid option or answer you can write. So I'll be writing invalid option. I am here to help you. So I'll be writing that. So when you're done with that things, you have to do just nothing. You have to just wait till it is just working with. Then you have to just hit the save button. And now it is just saved. So when you're done with that, I will be coming underneath again, creating question. Then I'll be writing question. So just I'll be writing question equal in it. Then here I will be writing like what are you. Okay, so I'll be just asking that because here we don't know like what is it which is coming. Then I'll be writing yes or no. Then I'll be just writing here like else. I will be changing that to invalid option. I am Reddit bot. So when you've done that all things, just you have to do one thing like go to the top here, right here input, create good choice. You are saying good. Okay, so I'll be just writing that. So here I'll be just you are saying right. I'll be writing. So when you've done with that things here, you have to do one thing like you have to just hit save here also, and now it is done. So when you've done with that things, you have to just come here also. Then you have to just come one thing like I'll be just coming and saving here. Now it should be just done if I show you. Okay, so when you've done with that things here, you have to just run that. So for running that, I will be just pressing this run button which is the top, or you can also run from here or from here also by pressing this run. So I'll be just pressing this run button here, press that, and you have to press stop and rerun because previously I've also run that. Now you can see there it is asking like I am Reddit bot in Python, do you know? Okay, so it will be just changing it to like its own language which we are using in Python. Then here I will be writing like if I add no, so you can see that you do bad choice, this is bad of you. Okay, so you can see it is just given the answer again and again. Then if I write yes, you can see would you like to become a programmer, like I have written that. So here you can just write no if I write, so you can see invalid choice, who don't like to become programmer. Then if I write yes again, here also if I write yes, okay, so here I am a Reddit bot in Python, press yes here. Then it is again asking like would you like to become a programmer, then I'll be writing yes. And now it is just asking like you insert a good choice over here. Then it's asking like would you like to take help of me when in problem. Okay, so you can just take no if I do. You can see invalid, I was come here to help you. It's like you can see that. So here when you've done that, I'll be writing yes here. Then here also same question, then you can just write yes also. So there is coming now you can see that good choice. Now thing like your work is done. So you can see now when you've done that, so your work has been done which you will be having in problem. So it will be just done your work when you will be working with. And if I just come here again and if I write yes here, so you can see it is working. And if I write no, you can see it is not working. Press yes here also, here also. So you can see now if I press yes also, then it will be just done. You can see now your game has been finished. Like good choice, now thing like your work is done. So like that your work will be now done. So when you've done with that things here, you have to do one thing here, like you have to just hit the save button here by pressing save all. Done here. Then you have to do one thing here, like I'll be doing like coming underneath here also, then writing here like input and creating a tag which will be just like first of all I'll be writing print tag to define that. Also I'll be writing answer and it is good, so I'll be not closing that because there is not any close tag of that. So here when you're done with that things, you have to do one thing, save all, it is done. And you can also run from here if you want to, like we have just run that. Press run button here by pressing run, press this old one disconnect, this also disconnect. So if I write again yes, then here also, here also, here also, and then in the last here also. So you can see now it is good, and there is coming like good choice, you do really good work. Then there is also coming like you insert a good choice over here. So like that you can just work with your own Reddit bot project in Python. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like my previous project of Python. So just practice that all project we are working with on Python, and I hope you will be a good programmer of Python like your of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and previous Python. So just practice that all, and I will be also uploading tutorial of Python, and you can also comment me down like what things do you want from me related to Python, and you can also add your own features which I am working with. So it will be just good practice of you, and you will be a just good programmer of Python if you are your own features and more things into that. So just practice that all project, and I will be just meet you in next project.